Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can activate Revolut Physical card. In order to activate your Revolut Physical card, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an online application. So basically, to activate your physical card, you'll have to visit a nearby ATM branch of the Revolut itself, or you can go to the where it accepts a particular card. What to do is when you're on the ATM, insert in the Revolut card or the physical card that you've received recently, and after you're done inserting it, it's going to show or display some sort of information that indicates the particular card is new. And to activate your card, click the activate now button. As soon as you do that, it's going to ask you to enter in the pin or create a pin or chip cash pin. And after you're done creating the cash pin, next page it's going to ask you to confirm. So for that, type in twice, and then the confirmation has been set. After you're done setting a cash pin, from then onwards, you can soon start withdrawing money. So in this way, you can activate your Revolut physical card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.